students, we will discuss about the structure determination of menthol. Next one, occurrence of menthol. The major source of menthol is peppermint leaves. Menthol is an organic compound. It's a waxy, white crystalline substance. Next one, uses of menthol. Menthol is widely used in medicinal fields. It relieves headaches and pains. It is used as local anesthetic. It provides cooling sensation when applied to the skin or other tissues. It is also used as flavorings in foods, cosmetics, liqueurs, and perfume. The next one, structural elucidation of menthol. From the analytical data, molecular formula of menthol is C10H20O. That is, menthol contains 10 carbon atoms and 20 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Now, let us find out the nature of oxygen atom. As we know that secondary alcohol on oxidation, it gives ketone. Here, menthol on oxidation with chromic acid gives menthone, which is a ketone. On the basis of oxidation, the nature of OH group in menthol is secondary alcohol. Menthol on reduction with hydroiodic acid, it gives paramethane. Formation of paramethane is the evidence for skeleton of menthol. Then next one, catalytic hydrogenation of thymol gives menthol. This reaction clearly indicates the position of OH group in menthol. Menthol on dehydration, it gives menthine, which on further dehydrogenation, it gives paracymene. All the above reactions are the evidence for the most probable structure of menthol. The next one, synthesis of menthol. In menthol synthesis, metacresol is a starting reagent. This metacresol undergoes reduction. In presence of nickel, we will get 3-methyl cyclohexanol. It's a secondary alcohol. Then this 3-methyl cyclohexanol undergoes reduction. Then we will get 3-methyl cyclohexanone, the respective ketone. Then we have to introduce an active methylene carbon to the para portion of 3-methyl cyclohexanone. Therefore, this 3-methyl cyclohexanone reacts with diethyl oxalate. Then we will get the expected product. Then this product undergoes decarbonylation. We will get beta-hetocyclic ester. Then we have to alkylate this beta-hetocyclic ester by isopropyl iodide. Then we will get menthone. Then this menthone undergoes reduction. We will get menthol. In this way, menthol is synthesized successfully. Thank you, students.